Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we're looking at Apple, where we had either a series of 4-1-2 setups here, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, now in the third wave, or it's something more corrective in nature in the longer time frame where it's still 1, 2, A, B, C in wave 3 or wave A of 3. And then we would be down in wave B here, and then wave C up. That is in the making. It doesn't matter that much, to be honest. It's just for a little context. It's a very bullish and strong chart. What I want to focus on is since this move up in 2013, we had this wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and now wave 3 in the making. Still, we need one more wave up in wave 5 of 3 to call this this 5-wave move complete. I already drew support, not resistance, for this third wave that we recently completed in December, and this will be our white count for now. We did already start the correction. So far, we did not reach the support zone, and I'm not saying we need to. We could go up straight from here, but it would be ideal and make the count look better. This is what I'm tracking mostly. I would not really consider an entry before reaching the support zone. Sure, we could go up. We could actually go in a wave B up, in an overshooting wave B, where this would be A, B, C, but still in the end up actually even lower than we were here. Not necessarily, but still. For this move down, it's clearly a correction, a very corrective looking move in 3 waves down, A, B, C. And I am now tracking the possibility that this wave B, I don't see it finished yet, but it's in the making, in my opinion, based on the look of it. And once it is finished, I can give you actually a target for wave B. And if we do consider it finished, I can actually give you a target for... Did I say wave B? I meant wave C, sorry. I can already give you a target for wave C if we consider that wave B is finished here, but I'm not guaranteeing that. I'm actually expecting it to go a little higher. We did reach the resistance 3 times and got rejected each time quite strongly here. But still, we are printing, after this point at least, we're printing higher lows and lower highs at the same time. So my belief right now is that this is actually an A, and we are now in a wave B triangle, possibly. Not necessarily. We could still end up lower in a regular A, B, C move. It's just noise, to be honest. I don't track this stuff too close, and I don't trade it. I actually recommend never to trade a B wave since they're so unpredictable. They could be a triangle, they could be a zigzag, and it's not really worth it, to be honest. But anyway, yeah, if we do consider the wave B and has ended here, I can give you a target of $139. Ideally, that's where we would get with that. But I still expect it to go higher, and if it doesn't and it gets there, I think it's a great entry, and we could see the price have potential significant upside afterwards. Now, this is the support zone for the count that I just presented, and will remain as the white count here. Now, I'm gonna make this red to mark it clearly as resistance. Now, there's also the possibility that this third wave is not a 5-wave move, and instead is a 3-wave move, for which I want to present the yellow scenario. And I'm gonna make this bigger. Okay. So in the yellow scenario, let me move away the white scenario really quick. I'm gonna leave the big picture here. In this scenario, we would have still a third wave here, but it would be complete already, and we wouldn't be looking at this support zone to determine that it has broken and we should be expecting much lower, but instead we would be looking at this support zone where we actually take the low of the wave 2 here instead of the one that we previously had here in white. This is just to point out that breaking below the white support does not make this chart bearish. If we go below $96, we still have the yellow scenario to track and look for higher, and this could actually since it would be a 3-wave move, go down to the 61.8 retracement and still be within the actual requirements to be classified as a wave 4 here. However, that is far, and I will leave this on the chart actually, but I will move this further away and is only here as a backup. My preferred scenario so far is where the one where we actually didn't finish the third wave and we still have the fifth to go up. I don't think I have the wave 4 complete, but in the scenario that this is actually the entire wave 4, I can tell you that the targets for the fifth wave in this third wave would be between $432 and $580. I see this movement up, however, since the latest local low as a correction. It's very, very choppy, and I am still tracking for lower, maybe after we get another wave up, but still these are my targets, and in the end this is the trade setup. We have these price action support levels that actually held even recently, and they are also not exactly confluent with the support zone retracements, but they still provide decent entries all over the support zone. For now, that's it. I think this correction could actually end up taking a while. We could be looking to finish it in the next year, but not necessarily. I hope this video helped. I hope the levels of resistance are clear. If we start breaking above the 78.6 retracement here, I will consider a different approach, and I will keep you updated with future developments on the chart. But for now, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover next. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.